Okay, so look at these sentences. Question number 1. The earth round the sun. Go or goes? And how can I know it? Which one of them? I have a rule. It says that I, you, we, they, and two people, for example, Anna and Josh, take do. Plural nouns and plural pronouns take do. And he and she and it with Anna, one person, take does, which are singular. So here, if we look at the subject, is it plural or singular? It's singular. So which one it takes? The singular noun. So the singular noun takes does. So question number 1, B, does. Question number 2, we will leave 7 p.m. I have on, in, at. On used with days and dates. For example, on Monday. Do we have days here? No. In used with months, years, and seasons. For example, in July, in 2000. Do we have any months here or season or years? Of course no. So at comes with specific time or holidays. For example, at 3 o'clock. What do I have here is 7 p.m. So at comes with time. We will leave at 7 p.m. Question number 3. They to the park last week. I have went, go, and goes. So if we check the tense of the sentence, we have last week, right? So last week comes with what? With past tense. So the tense is past. Let's check them. Goes. I said that goes comes with what? He, she, it, and Anna. What about they? So of course this is gonna be excluded. We can use go with they, but we cannot use it here because the tense of the sentence is past. So what is the past tense of go is went. Here we use went. They went to the park last week.